everyone, I'm Dave. Today we're doing a classic crowd-pleasing barbecue with beer brats, sauerkraut, or onions, depending what you like. Let's get it started. Okay, now the fun part, and this is so easy. I love sauerkraut, but not everybody does. So we're gonna do 2 pans, one with sauerkraut cooking and one with onions. We're gonna very simply, I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of kosher salt, and I'm gonna place the brats in each of these. And then just quite simply, we're gonna pour a nice Pilsner beer right up to cover the brats. Then if there's extra beer, you can figure out what to do with it. All right, so I'm just gonna mix these in with the sauerkraut and the onions and the brats. Let this all soak up for a little bit while we get the grill started. While that's going on too, we're gonna make some fresh cut homemade French fries that we're gonna fry up to go with it too. Nice and easy. They taste amazing this way. It'll just be a nice little compliment to the brats. Okay, so you can see we've got our beautiful fire here. I threw on the brats and the beer. We're letting them sit, letting this get a nice boil, getting the brats pretty well cooked. Then we're gonna set that down here, throw the brats on top of the flames, let them kind of get a little char to them, brown up nice, and even explode a little bit before we throw them back in and let them simmer, and then time to eat. These are coming along beautifully. I'm gonna grab these pans, put them on the plancha where it's still nice and hot. But now we're gonna take the brats out, throw them up on the grill over the fire. Let them get a nice char to them and almost explode before we throw them back in, just to simmer in the pans. Got the ones with the sauerkraut over there. The ones with the onions will be on this side. Again, I love sauerkraut, but it's not for everybody. Now we'll flip these as it goes. It's nice and hot right now over this fire. These are simmering. We'll put these back in once they kind of explode with flavor here. These are coming along perfectly. They smell so good. Getting a nice char on this side. We just want to char these up, get them to kind of explode for us, and then we'll throw them back in to simmer. Looking great. These smells, it's what they would call in Wisconsin soul food right here. Oh, look at that. Outstanding. Now we'll let that sit on the other side for a while. I'm gonna drop the fries, homemade fries, and get those going. And we'll just wait to flip those one more time or so, put them in here and get ready to eat. Okay, you can see these starting to split and just look amazing. We're gonna leave them on just a little bit longer. Gonna pull the fries here, let them drip. All right, gonna throw these back in to marinate a little bit in this. Oh, these look incredible. Look at the splits on those. Whoop. I cannot wait to eat these. Smells so good. I'm gonna throw a little sauerkraut over these just to sit for a little bit. Onions on these guys. We'll give them a few minutes and then time to plate and eat. Okay, now we're just toasting up some of these buns here. I just laid down a little olive oil, just getting a little toast on them before we throw everything together. I'm gonna grab the brats. Those look great. We're gonna put these up on the plate. Just a nice, quick toast on there. Gonna throw the 2 sauerkraut ones in over here. Gonna take the sauerkraut and just give it a real quick sear on the grill. Gonna put the 2 onion ones on this side. Give some of the onions just another quick little sear on the grill as well. Load that up. Now we're going to grab the fries here. Put them behind. Oh, it's so close to time to taste. These smell and look amazing. You can throw on some stone ground mustard on it, which would be great too, but good barbecue doesn't even need some seasoning, sometimes extra sauces. This looks so good, I'm just gonna dive in like this. Fantastic. The flavor of the beer in there, the sauerkraut, such great flavor. And then the brats, the fact you throw them on the grill to kind of explode. I need another bite. The flavor you get in the sauerkraut and the onions from soaking in the beer makes these so good. Such an easy barbecue to do, but such a crowd pleaser. A little fresh cut fries to go with it. So good. The perfect barbecue that anyone can do. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching Bussin Eats. Again, I'm Dave. Keep it here for some more great grilling, and remember, spread love through barbecue.